Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a quick and a very easier way to make your first purchase online from AliExpress right to Ghana. So without wasting my time, let's get right into the video. So first of all, I know everybody has an email address, and if you don't, just follow this process to create one. You head over to Gmail, you click on use another account, that is, you go to create account for myself. Okay, so you type in your information just like I'm doing over here. The name, for the username, you can use anything. It doesn't really necessarily mean you have to use the name that you used to sign up. So in this case, I'm going to use my nickname. All right. So you see, the username is taken. You have to try another one. So you just continue, try to play along with some number combinations. But the most important thing is numbers that you can really recall. You understand? Or you can go ahead and choose one of these available options. So in my case, I'm not going to choose that. I'd rather find something unique that I can remember. So I'll go for 2023, 2023. Let's check if it's. So voila, that is not taken by anybody. And you go ahead and create a password. All right. So now that we are done with typing in our information, you go ahead and click next, and it will take you to this place. So as you can see right now, it says verify your phone number. Currently, I'm in the Russia, so that means I'd have to type my phone number here to be able for Google to send me a verification code, just to know or just to confirm that I am really a human being. All right, so I go ahead and I type in my telephone number. All right, so just to be sure, 793. When you are done with that, you click on next, and Google is going to send you a message right onto your phone with the verification code. All right, so I just received it, and it's you click on verify. For the information here, you don't have to really waste time here by thinking about what to type in. So as you see, the recovery email address is optional. You can type if you have another email address. So the main reason for this is to be able to recover your password in case you lose your password for this very account that you are creating right now. So you can leave that blank and head over to this place. It's not necessarily important to use your own date of birth because this is just an email address. So you understand? It's quite advisable to use your own date of birth, or you can use any other date of birth that you want. So in my case, I'm going to use any date of birth. Sorry. All right. So the year, you can just type anything. Okay, cool. For the gender, you can choose female, male, rather not to say a custom. So I'm a male. I choose male, and I go to the next part. So we are almost done with the email account creation. So get more from your computer. From here, you can right click on you can click on yes I'm in or skip. In my opinion, I like to skip it more often. So you just skip it. You scroll down to the bottom and you agree to the terms. Okay, so I click here to load it faster. If your internet connection isn't that fast, then you use HTML. Alright. So now that we have our email address created, we head over to the next process, and which is creating an account on AliExpress. So here is the email address done. We are done with the email address creation. So I head over here to AliExpress. And One more thing, I'm in Russia right now, and due to some circumstances, I am not able to access AliExpress here. So I'd have to use a VPN to access the website. It's in your case, if you have the same problem, you can do it the same way. So you don't have to go about buying a very expensive VPN. There are cheap extensions of the VPN, which is which you can install right in your Chrome browser. So in my case, what I use is you go right to Google and type free VPN for Chrome. All right, you click on that, and you click on this um, first option. All right, you click on that, and it takes you here. You see, I have already added that to my Chrome. If I hadn't added it, this button right here would have showed you or tell you to add it. You just click on it and wait for the installation to go through. Since I have already added it, here it is. So I come right here, I click on that, and from here you can choose between these countries which country you like your VPN to be connected from. In my case, I have already selected the UK, so I choose the UK and I turn on my VPN. Voila, it's connected right now, so I can close it. Now let's head to AliExpress and create an account over there. All right, so you click on the first option. It takes you to the AliExpress website. This is the main landing page for AliExpress. When you come here, you head over to account and go to register. My location isn't in the United Kingdom. So for here, I'll just type in Ghana, even though I'm in Russia, but I just prefer to use Ghana. I type me in my email address, which is the email address we just created. I come here, highlight it and copy it, or you can just type it in. So I click here and I paste it. Here also, I have to type in the password. You can use the same password you use for the Gmail account, or you can use a different password for this AliExpress account. So I'm going to type in my password. Okay, so I'm done. I met all the requirements. It says 6 to 20 characters. It must contain numbers, letters, or symbols, and I met all the requirements. So once I'm done with this, I just have to click on create an account. Create account. Okay. It just wants to verify that I am really a human being. This is some security measures from AliExpress. So you just slide this. When you see this, just slide this to the end, and that's it. It's going to send you a code into your email address. So you head over to your email. It wouldn't be here just as it's sent. So you have to refresh the tab. You click on Control R, and that's it. Your AliExpress verification code has been sent. You come here and you copy it. Whoa, this number. You copy it and paste it. Oh, sorry. So that means we have to type it. 330. You click on verify email. And that's it. Our AliExpress account has been successfully created. This is it. Welcome back, Scratch 202323. That is our email. So our AliExpress account has been created. In the next video, I am going to show you how you can add your credit card information and also your billing addresses. So when you order something online, it will be sent right to you in Ghana. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I promise to teach more on how to make this income on the internet. Thank you for watching. See you right back soon.